Yes, honey.
I'm just getting to the money. Everybody mad.
Ooh, that forehead strong. Okay, y'all, don't mind me, I'm a little ashy because I just took a shower, but we're about to do this makeup look for this brand deal. It has to be, let me put y'all here for now. It has to be cotton candy, not cotton candy, it has to be candy inspired, like a candy inspired makeup deal thing. Me and mom came up with this cool look. Y'all know I'm not really into too much of makeup. I am trying to get into it because I don't know, I just feel like I might be good at it. I love drawing and painting and things like that and graphics, so I'm trying to dibble and dabble into some creative stuff. But I drew out this little face chart. This is the palette. I might have to, yeah, I'll just upload this after. I just thought about it that the brand probably doesn't want this information out there or like seeing and stuff, but I'm gonna upload this after I get it done. This is the palette. Aaliyah J was in the promo shoot. Loved it. But this is it. It's called Sugar Trip Squad. Super cute, and it has these super bright colors. OMG, it looks so good, y'all. They also sent over, this is like the packaging for the other stuff. Everything is just so cute and like Candyland-ish. Candyland was my favorite game, so yes, honey. And then this little like liquid highlighter. So we bought some stuff. This is some sanding sugar. We have sort of an idea, so we're gonna do like a play on sweet and sour. We have a lot of rules to follow because it is a brand deal, but I think it's kind of cool to show like behind the scenes type stuff. So we're trying to like work with the rules, but I'm all over the place, y'all. I'm just excited. This is the brush that it came with as well. So our idea is to do a play on Candyland in a sense, but like sweet and sour. So we're gonna do like a half face, half sweet, half sour, because most girls have a little bit of sweet and sour to them. So sweet and sour, we're gonna go for more like a cake look on this side, and then a sweet and sour look on this side. I mean, not sweet and sour, a Sour Patch Kid look on this side. So for the, I have to look at my chart to make sure I'm doing this right. The blue and yellow. So this would be the cotton candy side. We're gonna brush a whole bunch of this on my shoulder and stuff. And for the sour side, we're gonna use these two colors, and then on here we're just gonna put the colors along here. But I'm excited. I'm so excited, y'all. My little small self. I'm gonna set up the camera so you guys can see me get ready and see what all we come up with. I thought that the blue hair might work, but I think I might go with blonde. I don't know, y'all. I might go with blonde. For now I have this blue wig on. I feel like I want to go blonde, that way I can actually tuck the hair behind my head like this. That way they actually see my shoulders, because it's gonna be shot like this somewhat. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm not really sure, y'all. Let me figure this out. Okay, y'all, don't mind my background. I have a lot going on. I got packages that came through and all kinds of stuff, but I'm thinking about it. This is kind of, it's on my shoulder. I feel like this might be a bit much, so I'm thinking this wig. I forgot all about this. This might work with the Sour Patch thing. We family, y'all used to seeing me like this. Red wig is a lot shorter, so it might work a little better for what I'm trying to do. This is cute, y'all, but my only fear is this in my face. I just really need like a hairstyle that's like slick back and not in my face. But this was kind of cute. I don't know, y'all. This is why I don't like selling my wigs. I never know when you might need it. I found this blonde model wig. I need to make this bun back here a lot smaller, but I'm thinking this one might work. I think it'll work perfect for what we're trying to do. It's looking crazy because of my cap sitting up so far up, but I'm thinking that this one might work, y'all. Let me just focus everything back. I think this will work. I don't know, but I would rather get that wig dirty, the blue one. I would much rather get the blue wig dirty because I could wash that easier than that long one. I just took my hair out of those braids. I think we might just have to stick with the blue. The other ones were cute, but I feel like the blue just like fits it. Okay, so what we might have to do is a little something like this. How does that look, y'all? Something like that, and just keep the hair back. That way they can see more of here and here. That's what I'm gonna go for right now. Let me turn this light on so we can start doing this makeup. Just sprinkling everywhere.
My whole dollar frosting.
Yo, we're doing the cotton candy part now. So we use some, oh, we use the name, we use the good stuff. This the Pillsbury. Okay, so we're done finally. Tell them about your masterpiece.
Okay, y'all, so we have cotton candy on the left, cotton candy on one side, and sweet and sour on the other side. And same for the face. A soft touch on the cotton candy, and you have the sugar dripping.
It's her little icing.
And then the same for sweet and sour lips.
So
sweet and sour
like
lips.
Sour Patch dryness.
Yeah.
Here's dry.
That's the concept.
Yeah. So our idea is we're going to use a backdrop and just put this light. We bought these little bulbs. We don't know what we're doing, but we're going to finesse it and make it look like something we are out of focus. But yeah, how many hours did we spend? We only got 5% left. That's
Since
crazy.
this morning.
Yeah, that's why we only have 5% left. But we love you guys, and we'll see y'all. We'll probably show y'all the photos at the end of the video. I'm tired. I can't really move my mouth too much, and we're dying. So love y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Natural and realistic look, you want to start off with your own natural hair. This is pretty much the feed and braid technique. You start off with your own natural hair and feed in a synthetic hair of your choice into the braid. Today I am using hair sponsored by divatress.com. This is their crochet braiding hair from Free Tress, and this is in the style beach curl 18 inch, and the color that I got is OT30.